Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time, but hopefully I can start putting out some content. I don't want to make too many promises because you guys know how inconsistent I am, but I'm Gabe if you're new here, and should have quite a few new viewers here for this one. This is going to be a review of the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R and a comparison between the Cup 2R and the Goodyear Eagle F1 Supercar 3R. I got a few questions about this and about these two tires and my thoughts, so let's jump into it. First, let's talk about the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R. It is a 140 tread wear tire that comes in around $3,300. Which does not make it a cost-effective tire, especially when we dive deeper and you start to understand the tire a little more. At the peak grip levels, which is the first 2 laps, the first heat cycle, it is by far the fastest tire you will find for street use. I ran 2 new sets at Circuit of the Americas on a GT3 RS, and it was on par with a brand new Hoosier A7. Like, it is that fast. But after those first 2 laps, it drops off. And we're talking about you start losing seconds off your lap times. By the 4th heat cycle, you're basically driving on a regular Cup 2R that's been heat cycled. So for $3,300, you better be committed to running this tire for competition purposes, like a dedicated time attack tire, or I mean, yeah, that's all I could really suggest, honestly, because this tire is just too expensive to be running consistently like that. And for it to drop off as bad as it does, there's more consistent tires. If you're doing just a regular HPDE and want to get a lot of seat time, you can save yourself a lot of money and go a different route and still have some basically a very consistent tire, which leads me into the Supercar 3R. Supercar 3R is a 100 tread wear tire by Goodyear. It is a phenomenal tire. I've used this tire for many years and wanted to give the Cup 2R a shot. And but after trying the Cup 2R, I will say I will be returning back to the Supercar 3R. And reasons being is it is not as fast as the Cup 2R at the the peak first 2 laps of that first heat cycle. I would say it's on par with the Hoosier R7, probably a little faster than that, but not as fast as an A7, right? So it falls in between Cup 2R and Hoosier A7, Supercar 3R, and then you got your R7 Hoosier. That's kind of like my pecking order that I would say everything falls into place. But after that first heat cycle, the Cup 2R is now slower than the 3R, and the 3R pretty much stays the same consistency for the first 4 heat cycles. It's a very good tire. You don't have to worry about heat that much, obviously depending on driving style. Very good tire, very consistent. I'm able to go out a session and put down 8 laps on a normal HPDE and feel like I got good seat time, come in and cool the car down and chill out for a couple hours before I go back out and pick up right where I left off for those first 4 heat cycles. As for the Cup 2R, by that 4th heat cycle, you're basically driving a regular Cup 2 that's been heat cycled, so not nearly as fast. Supercar 3R comes in around $1,800. It should be around that price. Last time I bought a set was back when they were in stock. Now they just came back into stock probably about last month, but they were out of stock for about a year. Thankfully, everyone's getting them back into stock and they're readily available, which leads me to another point, is availability in different sizes. The Cup 2R is only available in the GT3 RS and GT2 RS sizes. As for the Supercar 3R, I mean, I got buddies who run them on Z06s all the way down to Miatas and E36s. The sizes are readily available for any car, which is very nice. And as far as I know, they're pretty on par. Everyone feels like they're fast at every size. So in conclusion, the Cup 2R is going to be a very fast tire, but it comes at a steep cost that I just can't justify. I would not run a Cup 2R unless I was dedicating it to a competition, a time attack competition, and that's about it. And even then, I feel like the Supercar 3R may be the move over the Cup 2R just because it is a lot cheaper and I can find it in all the sizes that I need. Alright guys, that'll do it for this video. I know it's kind of quick, but if you guys have any questions, please drop it in the comment section below. If you're new here, welcome, and hopefully you guys decide to subscribe. Talk to y'all later. Peace.